Ewolobos le polo noi nesta da Ewelwiler Itogoi pulu egitigita koto monatu tubet na ka ngoromo otem loko gwolo koto mono district loko kalaki ingarno ko loke chalo ka loke salim tudaibe adawna ayaun ejautene mamde ejoko kamejas itungada lwe egitigita.
Most worst one is the issue of the houses. We have like 39 houses that got damaged, completely down. The roof is not there, the walls are down, and then the gardens. Also, there are very many gardens that got affected. Those ones with the cassava, then others that they planted, but they had not germinated. The soil erosion has washed all the crops. What we are doing currently is to get the data first and then submit to the district for action. Actually, the whole sub-county is affected, but the most worst hit so far now is on Oromo. My request and also to other well-wishers is to support the affected families with the tents and also other items.
Itogoi lukitunga lwegitigita koras de kecherere lwedelota kaisona lukanyangon kesda Ewelwiler Ikito kosurda rotatin kesda atian kini kwa kotom norere kaisona lukanyangon ire kanyangon keschute mametor kedingini tweto tomana kesi ai boysit nada epedori ai pere kotoma acholonin kesda achia otomono borwa buda Ewolobos lo kitia ini kini kwap kusode Ikito le langirok kesda ichie kotomono boro luda bwe kwa mlepol kochakana kikwa Magdalene Abongo ngesta diopet kotomono tunga nada abu Ewolobos kiwele ketogo kusode da ayaun amosun kotomono da kuan ken lo da radio pet kotomono tunga lui bwe to kotomono tutubet kana Moses echo Eliau ngisalim daiba dola pak na kapugan arru kitunga luko chalo kalo tete kenye keche
The situation is very alarming, very alarming. When you visit this place and just see, you just cry. It is a disaster which has never happened since I was born on earth. We really appeal to government to come in immediately, because the people don't have where to sleep. The people are stranded. They are just sleeping outside. At least means of disaster and preparedness should hurry with the nets, and tarpaulins, so many things, food crops. People don't have even something to eat. We appeal to a government to help us. They bring for us fish. We are ready to plant fish, but we don't have the species.
Mame kwa mlo buda kideu tonda uniport lokai policy in kotomno police station lokanyara. Justin Ochebo loda erai OC station lokanyara police station istabuko limda ebe e uniport diopet loda lem epere officer ke diopet nesda bu Ewolobos loki wela.
Accommodation is the most problem now. Situation here as far it is not good because all the uniports which we are having, even the remaining 4, they on your marks. Anytime they can fall. And this one of the shady, on Saturday, the rain took it off. Shady doesn't have where to sleep. Even this unport which was carried by the rain, it needs maybe technicians.
Konye le rapolo kinto na jakanto kotomno district loko kalaki Christopher Okumunge salim da bada ngesa dumne reporter ido dada ejukar itunga kotomono lost aingi anyuni swama uno sete kenye request da ejukar reporter kotomona o ministers legi tiketa kanuka da maun agangan Michael Onyinge TV East Kokalaki district.